To change your email on Instagram, you're going to click on your profile, click on the three bars in the right-hand corner, go to Account Center, and click on where it says Personal Details. You'll see your contact info being your email. You'll click on that, and you'll see it says Delete Email. When you click on that, it's going to pop up with a link that is going to replace your email, because you will need at least one email in that. With that, you'll enter in the new email address. Once you type it in, it is going to have you send a verification code to that email just to confirm it. After that verification code is sent, and once you enter it in, you will see your email is replaced.